Hey there guys, it's GameStrack Hero. Today on Would You Press the Button? It's like Would You Rather, except you have a button. If you press it, sometimes there's some bad stuff, sometimes there's some good stuff that would happen if you press it. If you don't, your life is just normal. Before I get this video started, I just want to say thank you very much for the last video that I posted for like the 20 subscribers or something. I looked on that video and I got 63 views. That might not seem a lot, but for my channel that is. The second highest I have is like 48. So thank you very much. Keep watching my videos, like the videos, comment on the videos. Let me know if you want to see certain games that I can download. Just keep in mind that I don't have money on my accounts. Except for my PS4. I might be able to do it on my PS4. Actually, no, not after I bought No Man's Skies. Which, if you want to see more, let me know. Sorry about that. Well, is there anything else I need to say? Nope. So let's get started. Let's see. Would you press the button? Let's see. Press the button, you'll smell nice, but your house doesn't smell nice. Will you press the button? I will not. Let's see. You will have all the money you ever need, but you must drink 1 cup of dishwater every day. Ugh. Talk about suicidal. You're pretty much killing yourself. It's like saying drink bleach. You can have all the money you need, but you have to drink bleach. I will not press that button. Save anyone from the brink of death, but a random person dies in their place. So I could save one of my family members or something, but someone else has to die. That's a tough choice. Save a person and kill a person at the same time. That's a tough question. I'm not gonna push the button. Oh god, stupid thing. Save hundreds of lives, including your own, but but you have to kill an innocent child. Didn't work for me, okay. Save thousands of lives, including your own, but you have to kill an innocent child. I don't know. Why? It's like Would You Rather with one of the tougher questions. I don't want to be an innocent kid killer. Ugh. Fine. Let's see. 66% of people agreed. Let's see, I want to read the comments. Sorry, kid, you're gonna die. Okay. No. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. You can cause anyone you want to feel pain that they have caused you, but you feel all the pain that caused them to be the way they are. You're pretty much saying that I can make them feel horrible about themselves because it made me feel horrible. But in return, I have to take any pain that they have growing up and such. There's literally no point of pressing the button there because then you pretty much get to learn the person. So. Comment, tell me. Let's see. Oops, did I just make that bigger? Whatever. Honestly, I honestly would like this. You both understand each other better. Yeah, why not? Get to learn a person. Go away. Receive 1 million cash, but never watch porn for the rest of your life. Okay. Now I wish there was a skip button. Let's see. Receive $1 million, but never be able to watch porn. Oh yeah, there's many loopholes for that. You know what? Whatever. There's many loopholes I can do. Okay. Let's see. You get infinity wishes, but can't be anything you want. But your whole family, including pets, will die, and then them being wished back is the only thing that could be wished for. What? Can't be. Oh, never mind. I misread that. Can't be wished for. Get everything you need, and your family be dead. Open it to need your family. Wait. People overthink it. I will not, because it's pretty much killing your own family. Even though you can have... Stupid. You can change any history event you want to make it better or worse, but you won't be alive to see it. Okay, don't care. You have superpowers, but you can only be a villain. Okay, I'm still pressing the button. Yeah. Gain the ability to change your sex instinct and vulnerability, but if you change back in less than 24 hours, someone random you know will die. No thank you. Get away from me, advertisements. Let's see. You'll get unlimited money over the course, but over the course of the next 10 years, you will become progressively more depressed until killing yourself. Get rich, and then 10 years you're gonna kill yourself. No thank you. I want to read this. Hey, sorry. Yeah, there's a close button. I don't really. Yeah. Sorry, I keep moving it. It's the first time using it. The little thing, thanks to Shadow Ninja. You are able to communicate with cats, but they all hate you. Okay. You find true love, but you have to be dirt poor. Okay, then you just easily find a rich girl or guy, and then problem fixed. You turn immoral, but you can't leave a lonely island. You can't leave a lonely island. Wait, what? This question makes no sense. You can be immortal, so you can never die. But you can't leave a lonely island. So you be immortal and be stuck on a... No, that's kind of weird. That's a weird question. No, I should have clicked disliked. Ability to survive in any environment, extreme temperature, space, underwater, etc. But always have to be naked. Or you can only be... But you can only be naked. Okay. At least I can survive survive everything. Your most hated objectless person is destroyed forever, but you become a really life fury. What's a Life Fury? Sorry, you guys know and I don't. A real life Fury. I don't even know what the heck that is. All your dreams will come true, but so do your nightmares. Okay, whatever, I can face them. Okay, we got 15. Half-Life 3 gets released, but it's on the Xbox One exclusive. Then screw off. Yeah, loading. See, I'm just testing how fast it can detect me. Come on. Load. Thank you. Go away. Killed. I don't even know who the heck these people are. You have ability to morph into anything, but humanity hates you and constantly wants you dead. But I'm not pressing the button, then I'm basically gonna not be able to do anything with it. You have the power to control time, reverse, skip awards, freeze, etc. But you will age 55% faster than everyone around you. Wait. Bruh. Why not? Teleport to the future and find out they have a immortality thing. Become immortal. You can do create or destroy anything you want without repercussions just by thinking. But only for things that help you and only you. Confusing question. I hate when I have to go through the stupid survey. I wish I can just go right in, or it doesn't have to do a little tally. You always know where that thing you're looking for is, but you'll lose a sense of direction. So you always know where that thing you're looking for is, but you lose a sense of direction. So pretty much you know where you're going or where it is or whatever you're looking for, but you will get lost or not be able to tell which way to go. That's kind of a weird question. You now own Google and all it's worth, but you have to use Firefox and Yahoo for the rest of your life. Okay. You know every language in the world, but if anyone asks you to translate something for them, you have to, and everyone in the world knows you have the ability and are. Then I'm not gonna press the button. Why would I press the... Didn't really like that one. Cause you pretty much have to sit in like one area and just keep translating. You'll get to go to heaven when you die, but another religion. But it's another religion's idea of heaven. You'd be able to go to heaven, but it's a different type of heaven. So pretty much any heaven that I believe in will be. I won't be going to. I'll be going to someone. I'm overthinking this. Okay, never mind. So I would be going into a different heaven. Why not? As long as it's not a death-killing one or anything totally weird or bad. You become the smartest person who ever lived, able to understand anything, but lose the ability of communication. Stephen Hawking. Whatever. Like, you can easily build a computer, you can have stuff and everything. You can turn invisible whenever you want, but can't spy. Oh, well, I didn't mean to. That's a weird question. Cause does that also work for girls, or is that just focused on guys? That's weird. I don't like that question. It seems sexist. Don't care about your stupid advertisement. You'll get your very own Crystal Farm action figure, but Yamas is allowed to pay with it whenever he wants. What? What the heck is a Crystal Farm? That's weird. Trying to find a comfy spot, sorry. You return to the womb to be reborn again with all your current knowledge and be able to speak, but once you reach 60 years old, you will never be reborn. You will be reborn to a different parent in the current year. So it's pretty much saying you never die. So it's pretty much saying you once you get to 60 years old, you get reborn and have different parents. Hey, why not?
I study psychobiology. I'm a fine arts major.
What
Being
the
able
hell?
to pull up different articles, different parts of the screen is so convenient. I draw my notes in class. The pen makes it
Yep.
so much easier. I used to be a Mac user, but this is way better.
Yep. There we go. You marry the one, or the one. You marry the love of your life, but she dies during childbirth. Whooping if you don't have a child. Whooping if you just adopt one. This guy makes no sense. Said she died during childbirth. It's not that if she gives birth, she will die. No matter what, she will. That's not what it's saying. It's saying you marry the love of life, but she dies during childbirth. What if you loophole this and not have a child? And like never, like, pretty much you adopt a child and not ever have to make a child. That's a major loophole. Everyone else was overthinking that. That one guy had no clue what the heck he was talking about. Else I was just being an idiot. Your bones are unbreakable, but they are made of real heavy metal, and you're unable to move until you build up the strength. No. Because pretty much you won't be able to go to anything if your bones are made out of metal, especially if they have metal detectors and everything. World peace, but 1/4 of the population dies. Be rude. Well, if there was a world that knocked off 1/4 of the world's population, and so technically, if 1/4 people die, it's not really that bad. Because in war, this could be like a world war, and you can put everything to peace, and all the people that died from like wars would add up to that. You're just saying that 1/4 of the population will die, which doesn't sound bad. To some people, I might be sounding crazy, but if you think about it, our world is kind of getting overpopulated, especially in like China and stuff. So why not? You're the world's greatest spelunky, but you have no oranges. That's kind of okay. No oranges, then I can have With you can create matter, but the more complex the creation, the more it has more it has a mind over its own. So, so basically, you'd be able to create new species and stuff. Sweet. Oh, this video is kind of getting long. I'm gonna probably end it soon. Gonna end it on like a really tough question. Come on, give me a really tough question. Come on! It's whenever I don't want a tough question that it's not gonna give it to me. Loading, 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 load. The world is controlled by loading screens because they're annoying. Loading, loading, thank you. And I will not press it. Dislike, because I don't like Xbox Ones. Don't give me the freaking luck-tastic stupid thing. Use Discover Magic and becomes the most recognized figure in all of history during your entire lifespan. But you'll be thought of a fool and threat as much. That I will not be able to. Yeah, it's not gonna give me any good questions, isn't it? You will invent time travel, but people will use it to go back in time and make sure this button is never pressed. Here you go, here's a question for ya. Will you press it, yes or no? Leave a comment in the description if you want to. Leave a like, please subscribe. Check out my video that I said that had 63 views. Check out my other videos. Please let me know if this face cam work is better than what my other videos are. If you have any suggestions if I can do something better, like if you want it in the corner, if you want it down here, here, if you want it, let's see, here. This is how big it gets. Oh. If you want it, let's see. Oh, I can't show you, but I can make it a circle. If I wanted to. So, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you watch my other videos, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.